I'm Peter Howard, the Sustainability and Regulatory Lead at Dulux Paints. At Dulux, we understand that a large part of our environmental impact comes from the solvents that traditionally go in our paints, often referred to as VOCs. At Dulux, we've been working for years to reduce the solvents in our products, in both our trim, our wood and metal paints, and also in our emulsions. With Nooku and this partnership, we believe we can showcase the benefits of these products by enabling you to see the real results. Because now when you open a can of Dulux, you're not just transforming a room, you're having a very minimal impact on its air quality.